Today we came to Lecavalier Petrone. This place is famous for its chocolate and cakes. Here is not so big. They sell some candles and all varieties of chocolate bars.
And this one is?
This one is a buttercream with chocolate, mascarpone, and praline. Crumble. So it's more fruity.
Yes. Yeah, I think we'll take this one.
This one is apple, maple caramel, and the ganache is dulce infused with tea chai.
Great. We'll take that one. Yeah.
This one?
We also bought some chocolates. So funny that we also have a mini version of that dog. Today we will head to our friend's house to have our dinner tonight, and we will bring this cake and see how they like it.
You like it?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
Chocolate and vanilla cake.
Yeah. Cherry?
And raspberry.
Raspberry. Oh, good. How do you like it? I feel like the goat outside is a little bit hard, but very creamy.
We need to leave it outside 20 minutes.
Oh, that's the reason, because we took it from the fridge right away.
Yeah.
Okay. And the chocolate inside is a very strong taste. It's not too sweet at all.
Feels like a little bit crunchy inside. It's very good.
Very creamy. Okay. So not the best out there, okay, but not bad. Okay.
Considering about the stuffing inside, my favorite part is probably about this berry and chocolate mixing together. You can hardly say I enjoy it, but I just don't hate it.
I think it's more moisture than the other cakes. Very good. It's so good. I think it's well balanced. I really like it, but I think it matches with Earl Grey tea or black coffee as a pleasant afternoon tea. Okay.
Last night we ate too much and no room for this Paris breast. So today we're gonna taste this.
The ganache is chai and chocolate dulce flavor. But the bottom part is caramel maple flavor with apple. I like it. It has many layers, so you taste each part, but it actually comes together in your mouth. It has a very pleasant taste. You feel like you're in France. I love it. I think I prefer this one better than the other cake, because the cake has more buttercream on top, so I think it's a little bit too much if you eat after dinner. Yeah, so I prefer this one. I recommend this.